In this episode, we're going to write some short U words with blends. The letter U has many sounds, but the short U sound makes the sound like an umbrella. Here's how we're going to do this. Listen for the word, pause the video, write the word, then unpause the video to check your answer. Write the word jug. Check your answer. Now change jug to pug. Check your answer. Now change the G to an L. What word do you have now? You're right. You have lug. Now change lug to plug. Check your answer. Now change the P to an S. What word do you have now? You're right. You have slug. Now change slug to smug. Check your answer. Finally, change the M to an N. What word do you have now? You're right. You have snug. Good job. You were able to write and read short O words. I hope you like this word ladder. Don't forget to check out my channel for more lessons. Don't forget to like and subscribe and check out my TPT store to learn more.